Hi everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I'm excited to be here and a little nervous at the same time. I've been wanting to start this channel for a while now, I would say about 3 years now, but I've been giving myself all the excuses in the world not to start. So if you are watching me today, thank you for being part of the beginning of what I hope is going to be an incredible journey. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Ramatu Adams and I'm a nurse. I've been a nurse for about 10 years now, and I would say it's been an incredible journey. It has its ups and downs and all that. Aside from being a nurse, I'm a wife and a mother of 3 amazing kids. Nursing is my passion. And over the years, I've learned so much about health, wellness, family, trying to juggle family and work and having that good work-life balance. But despite all that experience, creating a YouTube channel, wow, that's an adventure. And I'm so grateful that you are willing to go on this adventure with me. So why start a YouTube channel? Well, as a nurse, I'm passionate about helping people live healthier and happier lives, and I can only do that by educating them, giving you credible information and leading you to make informed decisions. I wanted to create a space where I could share tips, advice, and give information on certain disease conditions, information about wellness, and generally self-care, health, family, and then nursing tips as well. So what should you expect from this channel? Well, on this channel, I'm going to give you content on certain disease conditions, how to prevent certain conditions, how to live a healthier, wealthier, happier life, give you tips on family, how to juggle family and work together, and then any other topic that my viewers. Starting something new can be very intimidating and can bring up a lot of anxiety, and I believe you can see it in my body language, because this is my third take of this video and I still don't think I've perfectly got this right, but it's only going to get better from here. So if you are interested in my content and you want to go on this ride with me, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you get alerted whenever I post a new video. Also comment in the comment section, introduce yourself, and let me know what you would want me to do next on this channel for you. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me on this adventure. Remember, whether it's at home or school or work or on this channel, we are all together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.